Hello children, today I will teach you maths chapter number 6 ordinals. It is on page number 81. What are ordinals? Ordinals are the numbers in sequence. What comes after, what comes before. Okay, you can see the picture in your book, page number 81. Here are some pictures of animals and they are telling their position. They are telling their position. Suppose in assembly you stand for the prayer in a line. One student come first, then after the second one, then after the third one. So this is the ordinals which tells what is the position or place of anything, person or anything. Okay, suppose this is a line. In this line, first student standing here, after that the second student standing here, and after that the third student standing here. This one comes first, this one comes second, this one comes third. So we tell the sequence not in numbers 1, 2, 3. We tell the position not in numbers 1, 2, 3. We say this is first, this is second, third, fourth, fifth and so on. So in this class you will read how to say the ordinals or the sequence. So for first one number we write 1 and ST superscript on the right hand side. Okay, first we write ST on the राइट हैंड साइड ऊपर की तरफ लिखेंगे. दिस इज कॉल्ड सुपरस्क्रिप्ट. देन वी राइट इन स्पेलिंग FIRST फर्स्ट. ओके, आफ्टर फर्स्ट, आफ्टर वन which number comes? 2. So we will say if the thing or person's place is number 2, we will say the ordinal second. So we will write second 2 and ND, superscript will be ND, and we will write in spelling second SECOND, second. Okay, after 2 which number comes? 3. The 3 position person we will say third. Third. Superscript will be RD, third, and we will write the spelling third, THIRD, third. Students comes in the class, they at a particular position, first, second, third. So these are called ordinals. After 3, which number comes? 4. So we will say fourth. The ordinal is fourth. TH will be superscript on the right hand side, fourth. We will not write in the parallel of the fourth. This is the wrong way of writing. This is the correct way of writing fourth. Like the fourth. Okay, one more thing. The spelling of fourth is FOURTH, fourth. We will say the 4 number position 4 and we will write the spelling 4. Right? After 4, the 5 number will come. We will say fifth. The ordinal is fifth. TH will be superscript on the right hand side as like 4. So we will write the spelling of fifth. Fifth. After 5, sixth. We will write the spelling sixth. Seventh. After third, all the ordinals will say th लगा के. Okay, 4th, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8th, 9th, 10th, 11th, 12th, 14th, 15th. Okay, 7th. After 7, 8th, EIGHT, 8th. After 8, 9th, NINTH, 9th. Okay, and 10th, and we will write the spelling TENTH, 10th. In your syllabus, ordinals are up to 10th. Okay, in the further class you will read more ordinals. Okay, so you have to know how to write the ordinals and the spellings of ordinals and how to say them. So you should know the right way. First, if you speak first, then you will write first 1 ST राइट हैंड साइड पे थोड़ा सा ऊपर लगा के लिखते हैं. सेकेंड ND, थर्ड RD, फर्स्ट, सेकेंड, थर्ड. These are different superscripts, but rest of the ordinals will be the same superscript. Fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth, 10th. Okay, these. In your book, here, which animal is this? This is a cat. The name of cat is Miss Smiley. The position is first. It is written here first. The second, duckling, Mrs. Darling Duckling. The position is second. Ordinal is second. Third, Mrs. Fatso. Third position. Sorry, Mr. Fatso. It is tiger. Third position. Fourth position is of Mr. Softly. It is a rabbit. These are the positions of animals that are mentioned in the book. Mr. Fatty, fifth position. Miss Blackie, sixth position. Mr. Naughty, seventh position. Miss Buddy, eighth position. Mr. Moody, ninth position. Mr. Tiny, 10th position. Here the ordinals are mentioned with their respective animals. On the basis of these position or ordinals, here are some questions you have to do on your copy. You will get the worksheet as written in the worksheet work. You have to do the same in your copy. Now I will explain how you will write, how will give the answer, what will be the answer. First question is who came first. First means one position. So let's check the first position. This is written here first position of which animal? Miss Smiley. You will write the answer, the spelling of Miss Smiley. Okay, you will write here Mrs. Smiley. You will see the answer in the worksheet. Okay. Now question number second. What was the position of Mr. Fatty? Now see, where is Mr. Fatty? Mr. Fatty, Mr. Fatty, Mr. Fatty. This is Mr. Fatty. Mr. Fatty is on fifth position. So we will write what question is what was the position of Mr. Fatty? Mr. Fatty's position is fifth position. We will write fifth. Sorry, we will write the fifth. Mr. Fatty is on fifth position. Okay. Third question. Why was Mr. Tiny sad? Okay. This question is relevant to the position because Miss Tiny is in the last. Okay, when someone comes in the last, he become very sad. So that is why Miss Tiny is sad, because he got the last and 10th position. 10th and last position, the last one. Why was Mrs. Smiley so happy? Mrs. Smiley is this. This is Miss Smiley. Mrs. Smiley is very happy because it comes first. First position always give us happiness. That is why Mrs. Smiley is also happy, because it got first position. What was the position of Miss Buddy? Now check, where is Miss Buddy? Miss Buddy is and its position is 6th. You will write 6th. Now next question, who was in 7th position? In 7th position, check, this is 7th position. And on 7th position, Mr. Naughty is there. You will write Mr. Naughty is on 7th position. According to you, who gave the prize to the winner? Give a nice name to the king of the jungle. The prize will be given by king of jungle, which is Mr. Fatso. Okay. Now in this question, what you have to do, circle the given order. Suppose you have to given the order 5th, and here are some pictures are drawn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7 balls are here, but you have to circle this given order. This is order. Order is a sequence, ordinal. Okay. The 5th position is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This comes on 5th position. You will circle this ball. Okay. Now, if you have to circle this order 2nd, and these are some kites here. Where is the 2nd position? 1, 2. You will start counting and you will get the right order. Okay. This is 2nd position. Okay. Like this, all other orders you will circle in your worksheet. So today you taught what is the ordinal. Ordinals are sequence of anything. Now you should know the words, how to write words. In this exercise, here are orders are written, but you have to write them in words. First, spelling of first, second, third, fourth, you will get the worksheet and you will see there the spellings of ordinals. So you should learn the spellings of ordinal properly, because it will come in examination. Furthermore, you will do practice, and in the 2nd class you will learn about more ordinal numbers. Okay, till then, bye.